What if I told you a crew once stole a half-ton of gold from an airport vault and almost got away with it by faking a police raid? São Paulo, Brazil, 2019, Guarulhos International Airport Cargo Terminal High Security Zone. Two pickup trucks roll up wearing federal police colors and tactical gear. They show official documents, radio codes, even names of real officers. Inside the cargo area, they order staff to the ground for urgent transfer. They know exactly which pallet to hit, gold bars destined for Switzerland. 720 kilos of gold, almost $30 million loaded onto trucks. No shots, no chaos, cameras record what looks like lawful operation. Minutes later, real federal police call the airport. They have no operation there. By the time anyone reacts, the convoy has vanished into Sao Paulo traffic. One police truck found abandoned. The decals were vinyl stickers over civilian pickup. Forensics pull a partial fingerprint. It matches a man with cargo theft record. Airport clerk's family was threatened. Photos of his kids sent to his phone. Camera analysis reveals one driver lifted his visor at toll booth. Police raids find fake badges, uniforms, and terminal blueprints in shed. On a farm, they find metal cutters and melted gold ingots. Lab tests match melted traces to the original refiner's profile. An inside man leaked schedules. Security guards supplied routes and patrol gaps. Only a fraction recovered. The rest vanished into jewelry shops and border crossings. Sometimes the weakest security isn't the vault door, but believing flashing lights mean the law